Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a 7-segment digital clock in JavaScript. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the font face. So actually I have downloaded this digital 7 font file. Okay, so and the font family is digital clock font. Okay, and the URL is the location for this file and the digital 7 mono.ttf. Okay, so now I'm going to create a section with id time. Okay, and let's set the style of this section. The font family will be digital clock font. Okay, and now we will write the script. Okay, so here we will use setInterval function. Okay, so let's see how it works. It takes two arguments. First is the first argument is a function, and the second argument is a numeric value that will represent the milliseconds. Okay, so the first function I'm going to use an arrow function. Here I'm going to create a date object, new date. Okay, so to get the time, we will use to local time string. Okay, so now we will display this time in section. Okay, so document dot get element by id, and inner text, that is time. Okay, so this is it, and let me set the size, font size to 5 em. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you that the second argument, this was the first argument, this function was the first argument, and the second argument will be the time in millisecond. So if I don't pass this second argument here, by default it will take it 0, but we want to call this function every 1 second, so we will pass 1000. Since this value is in milliseconds, so to call this function every second we have to pass 1000. Okay, so let's save and let's see what happens. Here it is. So this is how we create a digital clock in JavaScript. And if you want to download this file, I'm going to give the link in the description. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial.